Under the golden sun, vast orchards yield nature's sweetest bounty.
We need more crates over here.
Coming right up.
Peaches for canning. In sun-drenched orchards, skilled hands meticulously select the finest clingstone peaches.
Back it up slow, driver. Bay 14 is open now.
Transformation begins as freshly harvested peaches arrive at the factory. Each bin holds the promise of quality, carefully inspected before processing. The initial phase complete, these vibrant peaches are ready for their next transformation. A gentle current carries the peaches, giving them their first thorough and refreshing wash. This initial wash prepares the peaches for their journey through the meticulous canning process. Freshly harvested peaches begin their meticulous journey, entering the washing station for a thorough cleanse. Inside the steam-filled chamber, lye gently loosens the peach skins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Gentle rubber rollers meticulously rub away the loosened peach skins. The freshly peeled peaches continue their journey, clean and ready. Each perfectly peeled peach is now ready for the next stage of processing. Skilled hands meticulously ensure every peach meets the highest standards of quality. Every peach undergoes thorough examination, ensuring only perfection continues to the next stage. This careful human touch guarantees the superior quality expected from every canned peach.
Yes, again.
This critical step ensures only the finest peaches continue their journey to canning. With every precise cut, They preserve the natural sweetness and appeal of each peach. Their commitment to quality shines through in every perfectly prepared peach. Precision machinery gently guides each ripe peach, preparing it for the next crucial step. Each peach is perfectly positioned, ensuring consistent quality for processing. An automated arm precisely positions each peach, ready for the perfect cut. The blade reveals the peach's succulent, vibrant orange flesh, perfectly halved. Now perfectly pitted, the peach halves proceed, ready for the next stage of canning. Every peach is meticulously cut and pitted, upholding the highest standards of quality. Precision begins as peach halves are prepared for their transformation. The mechanical slicer, a marvel of engineering, awaits its delicate task. Watch as each peach is transformed into perfect, uniform segments. The continuous flow ensures consistent production, a testament to efficiency. More peach halves continuously feed into the slicer, maintaining peak production. The freshly sliced segments gently transition to the next stage of production. The uniform peach segments continue their journey, destined for quality canned peaches. The dance of automation and precision ensures every peach is perfectly prepared. From halved to perfectly segmented, the peaches embark on their next journey.
These
Freshly
look really
cut,
good today.
vibrant
Yeah,
peach
very
slices
fresh.
tumble onto the grading table, ready for careful inspection. Each peach slice is carefully evaluated, ensuring only the highest quality proceeds. Skilled hands work swiftly, ensuring consistency and superior quality in every batch. Every detail matters, ensuring only premium fruit advances to canning. This dedicated process ensures every canned peach meets our rigorous standards. The journey of perfect canned peaches begins with meticulously prepared steel cans. Each can is perfectly sterilized, ensuring peak freshness for the delicious peaches it will soon hold. Skilled American workers monitor the automated lines, ensuring every can meets our high standards. Skilled hands ensure each peach slice is perfectly positioned for the filling process. Precision machinery ensures each can receives the perfect measure of golden peaches. Constant vigilance prevents breakage, maintaining product integrity. Each can is prepared to receive its delicious, premium contents. The flow of production is a testament to meticulous planning and execution. This is where quality meets efficiency, creating perfect canned peaches. Each can, precisely aligned, receives its perfect measure of syrup, preserving the fresh peaches within. The clear syrup cascades over the bright yellow peach slices, ensuring their sweet preservation. Every can receives the optimal amount, a testament to meticulous American craftsmanship. From the dispenser, these perfectly filled cans continue their journey, destined for sealing. Each can, now perfectly filled and vibrant, prepares for its final step, sealing in freshness. Protected and ready, these canned peaches ensure peak flavor delivery to homes everywhere. Precision and care define each step as cans are prepared for their final transformation. Heavy machinery carefully transports the sealed cans to their next crucial stage. Massive retorts await, ready to sterilize the canned peaches with precision heat. Within these chambers, the peaches will undergo a critical, controlled sterilization process.
Set it right there by the juice pallets. Looks good, grab the next one.
Ensuring product integrity. Advanced automation meticulously seals each package, protecting its valuable contents. Every case is handled with care, reflecting the dedication of our skilled workforce. Automated wrapping systems secure each pallet, ensuring product safety during transit. From orchard to your table, our canned peaches embody quality and efficiency.